Updating your billing address with Trustmark National Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your online account. Visit the Trustmark National Bank website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section in the menu. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the home page. Step 3. Select billing address. In account settings, look for the option labeled billing address or contact information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to confirm your changes and ensure your new address is recorded. By following these steps, you can easily update your billing address with Trustmark National Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to the customer service for assistance.